What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK545 ELE. It's going to be our electric brake kit for a 3,500 pound axle using 10-inch brakes and 10-inch hub and drum. You can see right here, this is the box you get it in. Got our nice logo on it. We got our two smaller boxes here to keep everything nice and neat while it gets to you. We'll pull our true ride hub and drum out here. This is going to be our true ride hub and drum using 1/2-inch studs. The races are already pressed in on both sides. And we have our 10-inch backing plate here. Magnets already on. These are ready to go. Bolt them up. Good to go. And we got our other box here with all of our small parts. And our other hub and drum. So in this kit we're going to get two hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand brake. You can see this sticker down in here, that's going to tell us left hand, right hand. And we're going to get our seals, and we're going to get two of these. And what we're going to do with these is we're going to put our bearing in, and then we're going to pop that in right behind it. And we're going to get our bearings. We're going to get two inner and two outer. The inners are going to be the 68149s. Just going to go right there. And our outers are going to be the 44649s, and they're just going to pop in right there. And we're going to get 4 grease caps, and the reason that we're going to get 4 of these, 2 of them are going to have this hole in it for the easy lube spindles. They're going to come with this rubber plug, and then we're going to get 2 solid ones for our regular spindles. Then we're going to get our hardware here, and we're going to get 2 castle nuts. We're going to get 2 of these regular washers for the regular spindles. We're going to get 2 tang washers for our easy lube spindles. And then we're going to get 2 cotter pins. More than likely you're not going to need these, but we like to send them just in case. Some axles do still use these. And we're going to get our lug nuts here. We're going to get 10 of these. And these are just going to be the 1/2-inch acorn lug nuts. And then we're going to get our backing plate hardware here, and these are just going to be the nuts and the washers. That's all you need, guys. It's the BK545 ELE.